it's too much to take. You know, you're dreaming about people dying.
It's a tough day for myself.
They're tired of seeing people die. That's the message coming from those working on the front line of BC's overdose crisis, as the province marks the grim 5-year anniversary of it being declared a public health emergency.
I live in the downtown east side, so last night there was ambulances going all night long, and it's just really hard thinking, you know, people who are sleeping outside, and you wonder if everybody's going to be okay in the morning when you go to work. And sometimes they're not okay.
Sarah Blythe is the co-founder of the Overdose Prevention Society and works every day to try and keep people in her community alive. But with an increasingly toxic drug supply, it often feels like a losing battle.
I've had times where there's more than one person who's died that we know or we've been close to over the years. So, you know, it's just never, it's not normal, and it's not good, and it's a terrible thing.
People need some hope. People need some support.
After nearly 20 years of being homeless and battling addiction, Guy Felicella has come out the other side. He's now a harm reduction advocate and says he's emotionally exhausted watching people lose their battles with addiction.
I've lost a lot of friends over the years, and this continues to happen. And the small friends that I have left that still use drugs, you know, I worry every night about them. I wake up thinking about them, and yeah, it's hard.
Paramedics don't judge, but they are there to help, and it's tough when you see the impacts of drugs on society and families and friends.
Troy Clifford is president of the Ambulance Paramedics of BC. He says paramedics are seeing firsthand the devastating repercussions of the overdose crisis, and it's taken a toll on their mental health as well.
When they go to a call and see a tragic situation of an overdose, you know, in a loss of life and the impacts on family and friends, that takes its toll on paramedics. There's no question.
1,716 people died in 2020. That's a 74% increase over 2019.
I really hope that at a certain point, someone sees the numbers and goes, you know what, we really got to do really what's right here and just get on with it, which would be getting people safe supply in a really meaningful way.
In New Westminster, Ashley Burr, City News.